Welcome to today's video. We're going to dive into service discovery, one of the most important concepts that makes modern apps like Netflix, Uber, and Swiggy run smoothly behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll understand what service discovery is, why it's so important, the different types, the tools used, and even a real-life example to make it crystal clear. So, what exactly is service discovery? In simple words, it's the process that allows applications or services to automatically find and connect with each other inside a network. Think of it like this. You're in a big city with thousands of restaurants. If you had to memorize every single address, it would be impossible. Instead, you just use Google Maps to find them instantly. That's exactly what service discovery does for applications. Instead of hard-coding server addresses, the services simply ask the network and get directed to the right one, automatically. Now you might be asking, why do we even need service discovery? The answer lies in microservices architecture. In modern applications, we don't have one giant program. Instead, we have dozens or even hundreds of small services, like payment services, restaurant services, delivery services, user services, and so on. Each of these services is running on servers or containers. And here's the catch. Their addresses can keep changing because servers might scale up, shut down, or restart. If we tried to manually update these addresses, it would be a nightmare. Service discovery solves this problem by keeping track of everything and automatically making sure that each service knows how to reach the other services it needs to talk to. There are mainly two ways this happens: client-side discovery and server-side discovery. In client-side discovery, the client itself is smart. It goes to a special registry that keeps a list of all services and their locations. The client then directly connects to the right service. A good example is Netflix. When you click play, the client app looks up the best service that has the movie data and streams it to you. In server-side discovery, the client doesn't bother finding the service itself. It just makes a request. A load balancer or a gateway receives the request, looks into the registry, and then forwards the request to the right service. This is how apps like Uber handle routing. When you request a ride, the backend automatically finds the nearest available driver service for you. So how do we actually implement service discovery? There are several tools and platforms that developers use. Consul provides service discovery, health checks, and even a key value store. Eureka, built by Netflix, widely used in microservices systems. Zookeeper, an older but very reliable tool for coordination and discovery. Kubernetes DNS, a built-in solution inside Kubernetes that automatically discovers and routes between containerized services. These tools make sure that the process of registering, finding, and connecting services happens seamlessly. Now let's look at the benefits. Auto-scaling support. As new services are added or removed, the registry updates automatically. Fault tolerance. If a service goes down, others can find healthy ones instead. Less manual work. No need for developers to constantly update service addresses. Faster communication. Services instantly know where to connect, reducing delays. In short, service discovery makes systems more reliable, faster, and easier to manage. Let's make this real with an example: a food delivery app. When you open the app and place an order, multiple services need to talk to each other. The restaurant service checks the menu and availability. The payment service processes your card. The delivery service finds a driver to bring the food. If these services had to rely on fixed addresses, the system would break whenever something moved or scaled. But with service discovery, they can always find each other instantly, just like how Google Maps guides you to the right place without memorizing addresses. So, here's the big takeaway. Service discovery is like GPS for microservices. It ensures that no matter where a service is running, Other services can always find it and connect without any manual setup. This makes modern applications scalable, resilient, and super efficient. And that's why companies like Netflix, Uber, and Swiggy rely on service discovery to handle millions of requests every single day. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tech explainers.